it's going. Ten miles lang tayo. My arm's still adjusting on this 800mm handlebar. Damn, sarap ng control nito. Stability niya. Chill ride lang tayo. Build and not bought. Nice decal. Ay, sa magbike. Kaka-addict talaga. Kahit tinatamad ka bike ka lang. Sisipagin ka. It's weird.